I'm convinced sneaking snacks into your room at night is a high-risk mission. Like, forget spy movies. This is real stealth. It's 1 a.m. I'm starving. But the floorboards? Traitors. One creak and the whole house wakes up. I go for it. Slow, quiet. Every step calculated like I'm defusing a bomb. I open the pantry, crunch. The bag of chips betrays me instantly. I freeze. I hear movement upstairs. Oh no, Mom's awake. I've got 2 options. 1, run back to my room like a coward. 2, commit to the crime. I grab the chips and sprint, bag rattling like a marching band. Door opens upstairs. Who's in the kitchen? It's me, holding Doritos like they're stolen jewels. I make it to my room, shut the door, heart pounding. Silence. I think I made it. Then, crunch. The loudest chip bite in human history. Footsteps. I hide the bag under my blanket. Mom opens the door. You eating in here? Me, mouthful. No. She stares, sighs. Go to sleep. I nod. She leaves. 5 minutes later, I'm back at it. Lights off, chips muted, breathing slow. I swear no one trains you for this level of discipline.